Hi guys, welcome back. For today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a foxy eye. Okay, so with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so my face is completely clean and I'm going to be starting with my eyes. I will be putting some concealer and I'm going to be using this one right here, which is the Pure. I did use it the other day. I did like this, and this is a 4-in-1 long wear foundation and concealer. Okay, so once I do have my concealer, I am going to be using a piece of tape. You can use any kind of tape that you have in hand. I am going to be using this tape that I do have right here. So I do want to put my tape not in the end of my eye, but just a little bit where the end of my eyelash or my eyelid ends. Okay, I do not want to start right here in the end of the corner, and I just want to push it a little bit more up. So we're just gonna do it on the very corner of our eye. Right there and up like this. I'm going to be using my Nude Mood Color Pop color right here, and I will be also using this brush from Shein. I do want it to be on a little bit going over my crease right here, my eye crease right here, but I will not be extending it out to touch this part of the tape. Okay, and just like this. I know that it's looking super simple, but at the end it's gonna look super beautiful. Just trust the process. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and use the second tone of color, which I will be going into this color right here. I'm going to be using this color right here, which is called Moody. I will be just tapping the color for now and just trying to get that eyeliner little by little. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry guys if I am super closed up, but I want you guys to see how we are going to do this so you can have that super foxy eye look that we are going for. So I am just going to be putting the color at first like this into my eye as close as I can into my eyelashes, and then I will be starting to blend the color, and I just want to blend like up and down and get that eyeliner kind of look. Okay. We are ready to take off our tape, and this is how it's going to look. Okay, so I did put this on my waterline, and this is from Wet n Wild. It is more like a natural peachy color, and it is just so your eyes can look a little bit bigger. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the result of the Foxy Eyes. So I am loving the look. I am loving how the eyes are coming out. I do not wear any eyelashes, so these are my real lashes. I hope they look good enough. But anyways guys, I hope you guys like the look. I'm going to continue with my primer, and I'm going to be using this Smashbox Photo Finish. Last time I used it and I really liked it. It feels like a lot like Vaseline. It doesn't leave it shiny, but it gives you that smooth feeling. It is very, very, very nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread it all over wherever I need it the most, and I need it right here on my forehead, onto my nose, and my sides of my cheek right here. I'm gonna be going in with this Maybelline Fit Me 228. I do like to put my base on my hand so I won't have to put it on my face directly. So then I get my sponge and just stamp it in there and just put it on my face. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be using is my concealer, and I'm going to go back into this one right here, which is the Pure Foundation and Concealer, and the number M63. Okay, so I'm going to put some a little bit right here, a little bit on the end right here, and in the nose part. Okay. And just do the same on this side right here. Okay. And I'm gonna go back into my sponge and I'm just gonna blend it in. And make sure you guys are really careful with this part right here. You don't want to mess it up and mess up your Foxy Eyes kind of look that we are going for. And if you want a cleaner look, you can also grab your brush, drag your brush to make it line, and also you want to brush down. Once you do that, you just want to grab your sponge again and you want to blend. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue, and I'm going to go ahead and seal my concealer, and I'm going to be using this Morphe Banana Bacon set. I do like to just place it where I do place my concealer. Okay, and I like to just go around just like this, grab a little bit more for the other side. I don't like to put a lot because I think if I put too much, my face will then look too white. So I do like to just seal my concealer and also my foundation, okay? Okay guys, so back to the eyes. I will be using the first color again, my transition color on my ColourPop palette. So first I do want to go in with my transition color. I will be starting on the end of my eye right here and make my way down. I will not be passing my eyelid right here. I will be stopping on the very corner. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is putting some eyeliner, and I'm going to be using this Kat Von D eyeliner look. It is in the color black, and I really do like this pen right here because we are going to be creating a super thin line in our eyes. Okay, so I am going to be zooming in for you guys so you guys could see where I will be placing my eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna do just a little bit more, just like that. My eyeliner, just like this, and then I'm gonna be coming out and doing a little how can I explain it? A little cat eye thing. Wow, you guys, oh, I am loving this look. I love how my eyes look super stretched out. I love how it looks super natural. So with that being said, I'm gonna go back and do my eyelashes on the bottom. Is from Pacifica, and it does have a matte blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this color. I've never used it before. I love how it's not so dark, and I just love how it is very soft too. I'm gonna just put some right here just to hide my fat right here and to define my jawline, guys. Okay, and you want to put some a little bit on your forehead and a little bit right here. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking this brush right here and use it for my blush.
Mommy, why are you getting this?
It's a pretty pink. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the color Coffee. It is super dark brown, but I am going for that look because I want it to match my eyeshadow, and I just want it to just pop. Last thing that I'm going to do is just set my face, which I'm going to be using this one right here, which is the Milani Make It Last. I do like this setting spray. I'm almost out. I need to buy more. So I will just put it all over. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what kind of looks you guys want to see. Currently, I haven't finished my house. I am still working on it, and I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys another videos. But I hope you guys like this look. I was going towards a foxy eye kind of look, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye guys.
Can you breathe out now?